Gold features. In this video, I'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in NUGT. We're still resting right along the 200 moving average, this green line, and that is at a price of $1,787. With the 4-hour chart, we're approaching to NUGT territory. As we extend out to the daily chart, we remain in NUGT and seeing signs of a converge. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD. My position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $161.78. My sell target is at $169.75. My stop loss is at $159.20. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $172.40, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $164.43, and my stop loss is at $175.14. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold features has a 30% chance to climb between 0 to 3%, a 20% chance to climb between 3 to 6%, to the downside has a 50% chance to fall between 0 to negative 3%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.